What does the number 12 and AM.CO and you have in common?
12 is an interesting number that simply cannot be ignored because it represents completeness. Think about it. There are 12 hours in a day, and there are 12 months in a year. And it is so interesting to note that exactly 12 years have passed since the establishment of AM.CO.za in 2013. Over the years, AM.CO.za planned and developed their very own headquarters in Sunny Rock, Germiston, dispelling any fears of the fly-by-night syndrome that is prevalent with some companies out there. In fact, the company went to great lengths to ensure the completion of the building project. Including its own power and water supply, whilst making sure that the doors always remained open to the visiting public. So it's no secret that AM.CO.za is here to stay. For you. AM.CO.za sources and imports the best advanced machinery at the best prices for you. And the visiting public is welcome to bring their own material to try out because the machines are here for you. Other than the impressive demo center on the ground floor of the new building, the top floor is completely dedicated to training. This is the headquarters of AM.CO Academy, comprising of 3 classrooms, each complete with huge touchscreen monitors. So we teach the operating procedures of every machine, and we train the technicians to be effective in the field for you. 12 years later, AM.CO.za has established itself as a serious contender to be the top provider of advanced digital machinery in Africa, and positioned itself to be able to offer you 3 distinct services: sales,
We sell machines for you.
technical support,
We fix machines for you.
and training.
We teach machines for you.
Looking to the new year, the new Eaters and Drinkers restaurant will be open and in full swing. As will the AM.CO Academy with its year-long digital machine age courses. It's all happening at AM.CO.za, and you are invited to take part because we are here for you.